Anybody in St. Lucia who wishes to assist could please reach out. 2 youth men with masks and guns came in, right? Put gun to myself and my wife's head. You understand? And took everything. All we ask them back for is our passports. We like to have our passports. Anybody know these men? These 2 youth men, right? These 2 youth men, let them know they can keep the goal, right? They can keep the goal. But how you go take a man's passport, right? The gunmen are running there and take everything. Huh? 2 gunmen are running there, nobody see nothing. 2 masked men with guns and take everything, down to the passports, everything.
Now then?
Now, everything.
Like a while ago, like...
Now, yeah. They're reversing right here. 2 men running, right? Man come in, crack the gun. Aim it and well, next one, they have to take everything. Right? No cameras. This place here, this Bay Gardens Hotel. Not a camera. Right? Not a camera out here. Not a camera. Right? I can't, nothing pick up out here. Nothing. Yeah, we don't have no picture of them. The men are on mask, right? So, it's just anybody around here who happen to know wherever. All I want is our passports. You can keep the goal.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. Let me repeat it one more time. Viewers' discretion is advice when watching this video. Yo, wanna just listen that the video at the front, wanna know who that? That's the youth from Pillage Jewelry out of Trinidad. Him have a good idea, but bad logistics, bad timing. Him coming like Michael Manley, Jamaica, one of Jamaica Prime Minister. Good Prime Minister, good idea, wrong time. That tell you don't happen to him. Now that was PJ, the jeweler from Trinidad, and he came to Trinidad. He came from Trinidad, and he does a thing what he calls a pop-up shop, a jewelry pop-up shop. Let me show you some of my jewelry. Look at his jewelry. That's some of my jewelry them, you know. And one of my brethren say it seems like a peer juggler, a peer gangster him sell jewelry too. Well, him sell some nice jewelry, so him have this business what he has been doing, and I look back on some of his dates and he's been doing it for a while, maybe like even at least over a year. He went to St. Vincent and other places, and he has been to St. Lucia twice before. This is the 3rd time, and he sells jewelry. Now, all of a sudden, he was in the hotel, Bay Hotel. I think it's, I know the name of the hotel, you know, some kind of bay, but I am not gonna cut this out. But he was at the hotel, and 2 masked men came up and robbed him and his wife, took all his money, took all his jewelry, all his merchandise, and they even took their passport. And this is the 3rd time he's coming to St. Lucia. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, cause I'm very conflicted. I don't know so countryman is honest. You know, this right here, it shows how diabolical and dangerous St. Lucia is. Diabolical, and the other thing, I'm gonna use the word diabolical and Machiavelli. Everybody know Machiavelli. Diabolical and Machiavelli-ish. I am inventing a word. Machiavelli-ish. Okay? And that's how St. Lucia is very dangerous. Now, anybody could be, and this is my conflict, anybody could be the culprit. Now, it seems like he has been coming to St. Lucia a couple times, and he just realized that this hotel doesn't have camera. Now, there are people, and one of my brethren is saying that this hotel here, it has camera, but the man on the thing is saying no, it doesn't have any camera. I'm gonna play another video in a little bit, make only hear, you know, how him sound. He's not that pleasant after, I guess, the robbery sinking. Like I said, 2 masked man came in and get him. Now, there's a couple things wrong with this, and like I said, I'm conflicted. You see, when you're selling jewelry, you have to have good security. So the least he should have done is have some security around him, rent a room for the security, maybe hire local security, because obviously he has local links in St. Lucia. A man must say to him, yeah, come through, you can make some money. And he came there twice before, so obviously it must be lucrative. So number one, he didn't have no security. I just him and him wife. Now, number two, I was thinking, he has been there 3 times. Cause when I first hear this, you know, I was kind of upset. They said, boy, you see how St. Lucia is this, that. But boy, people never like this. You cannot flex those kind of way and being, how can I put it, a cheapskate brethren. Cause you can have employees there at the hotel who is looking out for you. It might be more than one time you've been to that hotel, you've been to St. Lucia quite a few times. And if you're not looking out for the people who is taking care of your room and doing certain things, you're liable to expose yourself to all factors of different treatment. Meaning they have family members, they know people. So when we look at this, you have to look at this crime, you have to look at motive and who have motive. You see what I'm saying? So everybody at the hotel who works at the hotel is a motive. This is like a Agatha Christie mystery to blow out. Yeah, so then again, he did quite another thing, and like I said, he's in the business of doing pop-up shop But what I notice about him,
Don't forget to
it's
like and
this.
subscribe.
Look at this now, look at this video. And it is kinda, it's a good thing and a bad thing. A yin and a yang, because remember now, it's a pop-up shop and him have to advertise when there. And this is the video show where he is. He even had another video which I'm gonna play a little clip of that also right here. If you notice this video here, it lead you right into his damn bedroom suite where he's staying at the hotel. And you know, all this right here, may I tell you, it's a security nightmare. Let me repeat that again, and I hope PJ will listen to this. You see, all this you have right here, so, and how you do your business, it's a security nightmare. Now, you have a lot of upper class St. Lucian might look at some of the videos them when me I do, or look at the videos them when me I do, and I say, oh, this can happen in my neighborhood, our country is not like that, but your country is just like that. And this hotel here up by Center Bay Center or Center Bay, it is a nice decent hotel and it's near everything. And I also heard that a lot of the shatter them and the hustler them, when them need a place to chill out, that's the hotel them chill out. Me I play another video, and now this PJ, when the reality really lick him, when it lick him this are all him sound. Listen to this.
No, but you can't see nothing. Or they collecting money from people, or they charge them big money for that room, Don't tell me hush. Don't tell me that mouth hush. Or they charge them big money for that room. Big money to stay here, right? And I have no security yet to secure people things. My wife could have there, and so could I. Right? Then what they tell me? Don't hush. Because what? But everybody has to know what's going on here with all you. Because this is bullshit. We're telling me, forget we doing business in that room. Where's all the security? Where's all the cameras? What all have in place here to secure people who stay in here? Well, you have nothing in place. Will you tell me about hush?
Now, PJ, I'm speaking to you. You have been doing this for a while, and this probably never happened to you yet, and you have came to St. Lucia a couple times, and the third time this happened. Use sleeper market and know that you have to change your whole business setup. You cannot travel with so much jewelry and you don't even have a licensed firearm where you could bring into the country, and you travel with your firearm. Also, if you don't have that, you have to get credible security, you understand, and travel with. And let me tell you how I know this. I have another friend who is a security guard in Trinidad, and he does a certain kind of work for a certain kind of man, and the man is a legit businessman. And believe you me, my friend, when me know him have to guard the man there, 24 hours a day. You hear me? Anywhere the man go, him have to dead with the man. If the man fly go Japan, him have to dead there. And the man dey not sell jewelry, him have other business. So, PJ, you can't be cheap when it comes to your security. You understand? And that's a fact. Now, the man them rob him. May I go on the profile, you know? You see the man them rob him, them no want to kill him. Them no want to kill him. All the man them want are the jewelry and the money. Them take him passport because them want to disable him. So right there, so that might have a little bit of a personal thing. So maybe with the passport being taken, that look like it might be a little bit personal. And it's somebody who he probably has been dealing with, who probably brought him down there or whatever, help him to set up, you know, and, you know, didn't like how he deal with them. It could be that. Now, like I say, you have the hotel staff them, and that also included, you know, the people that will bring him down there, because obviously him set up the thing like expose where you can come in and look at his stuff and him present them on the buy, and that's how it is. So yeah, him leave himself open, and it's a good thing this happened sooner than later for him in a sense, and he didn't get hurt. So now him have to go back to the drawing board. You know, you can't just pick up yourself. And it's like this. You see, when a man, just like a hustler, you know, enough man when a man hustle and a man call you, you can't, no, don't go and pop up in a for them thing and I know what you do. You have to know what you do. If you go pop up, you have to have some security and some legit security, and you know, you get a hotel that is secured properly and have a safe and them thing there, you know. So I know a little bit about hotel work and things, you understand? So believe that. Now, me just get the full name of this place, can't remember it to blow. It's called Bay Gardens. I'm not want the people them slaughter me feet. I don't know countryman stay. I make my mistake, stay star. Me can't bother with it. Me a real person. But when me get from this, cause me I go close it out. But when me get from this, my youth have better logistics and better planning or in deal with in business, because when you deal with jewelry, you understand, and money, if you notice, brings carry the money in a iron truck, you understand, and the bank and everybody I bring. So you have to deal with it the right way and find a more secure hotel where you can leave your jewelry in a safety deposit box, not in your room but downstairs in the main office, because a lot of hotels is like that. And one of the people in my St. Lucia for know say right now St. Lucia broke out in a certain way, which it did always broke out, you know. But if you notice, the criminals them I get more bare face, and they're very diabolical, and all of the upper class St. Lucian, we don't wish this was happening, but at the reality. Now, listen, we have more things coming up on the channel every day, every other day. You understand? So I want to stay tuned. And like I say, other countries vlog or other countries coming soon. So, wanna stay tuned to Countryman. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.